We've been talking about natural systems and how efficient and resilient they are. But if natural systems are so resilient, why are they under such threat? Well, one of the biggest problems is ignorance, or lack of information on how natural systems actually work. One of the reasons for this show. But today I want to talk about a topic that I think will help deepen our understanding of how natural systems work as a whole. Poison! In natural systems, it's the cycles that matter. Caterpillars eat some leaves, but later become butterflies, who pollinize flowers and eat nectar. The system works best when they're diverse and balanced. That way no one species gets out of control. But if we as humans plant only one species, then the predators or plagues of that species, say coffee, will become abundant. It's, you might say, an all-you-can-eat buffet. And there's little or no habitat left for the natural species that might control these things. In this case, a farmer might be tempted to use poisons or biocides, especially when their livelihood depends on a successful harvest. Take, for example, coffee rust, Camellia vastatrix, which is a fungus that grows on coffee leaves and debilitates the coffee plants. Now, with observation and information, there are many ways to fight the coffee rust. But one of the most popular, especially on large, single-crop coffee farms, is to spray a systemic fungicide, or something that kills all fungus. But Camellia vastatrix is not the only fungus around, especially when spraying these lower levels of leaves. The systemic fungicides can make it into the soil, killing all of those types of organisms there. Without fungi, the organic decomposition process stutters and even stops in some parts, making less soil nutrients available to the plants in the long term. These plants will now require even more fertilizer to continue to produce. Problems in different parts of the cycle can happen when applying any type of biocide, like insecticide, for example. If all the caterpillars die, pollination might become a problem. Vanilla vines now must be pollinated by hand at a high cost in labor because its natural pollinator went extinct. Most pests are better controlled by natural predators, such as birds or lizards, who generally require a healthy ecosystem to come around. Beware of reactionary farming or gardening. Do your research and avoid these types of problems through planning and design.